Today in this tutorial I will show you how to install Google Play Store on your Windows 10 computer. It's very easy technique, so don't forget to watch full video. Open your browser. In search bar type Nox Player. Nox Player. Okay, hit enter. Nox Player 6.6.1.2 for Windows download. Okay, I am going to click here. Open this link. This is Nox Player. Click on latest version. Scroll down. Click on download. Yes, the Nox Player is now downloading. Download will take 10 to 15 minutes. The Nox Player has been downloaded. Downloading has been completed. Now click on show all. Click on show in folder. Double click on Nox Player. The Nox Player installation option has been opened. Now click on install. Now Nox Player is installing. Yes, Nox Player installation yet to finish. Then now click on start. Now Android is starting. Now need to log into Google Play Store. Now click on login now. Now you need to input your email address. Now input your password. Okay. Click on next. If you have two-step verification, you have to verify it. You have to verify it from your mobile. Click on yes, I am in. You have to agree with Google Play terms of services. So click on I agree. Okay, click on accept. Your Google Play App Center has been opened. Now click on App Center. This is your Google Play Store. You can download or install anything as you have downloaded or installed from your Android mobile. This will work same as your Android mobile app store. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.